Hi viewers, welcome back again to this video, and this is Dr. Jijan, and you are watching this video on functions in C. Okay. In the previous class we have discussed about the various control statements, control structures. In this class we will be mainly focusing on this function. As you know, a function is a group of statements that together perform a task, and every C program has at least one function that we call it the main function, and the execution starts there just after the main function. Okay, inside the main function. And each program, we can define additional functions, so we can say the entire code we can divide into a number of functions. Okay, number of separate functions we can divide. And coming to the functions body, it constitute to the things. First one is the type. What is the type you put it here, and what is the name of this function, and what are the parameters you pass, and what is the body. So these are all constitute the functions. Okay, so you can see it here. I am giving an example, int integer, then this is the type, then name is add number, then the parameters I am passing integer a and b, integer a and integer b. Then I am giving and working on some worked out example from that where you can easily understand. Okay, so let us have one program that I am using this function to go for addition subtraction of some numbers. Okay, so what I do, I first of all, the entire function what I told you, that first I go for the declaration of this function declarations. Say I am having three functions declared here. One is the integer calculator. Calculator is a function I am declaring. Add is a function I am declaring, and subtract, su, yeah, you can check it here, substr, subtract is also another function I am declaring it here. So how many functions I am declaring? So this is the declaration part. First I am declaring three functions. Okay, then I am defining the functions. The function definitions are here. In calculator, what I am doing, so integer a, integer b, and integer operations, some operations I am going. I am going for a number of operations. I am telling if operation equal to 1, then return add a plus b. Okay, then if operation equal to 2, then return subtract a b. Okay, so these are the functions. You can go for similarly multiplication, division, all things you can do just like a calculator what you are doing, right? Then what I need to do, then all the things I have done. Then I am going for this function definition here also. In the function definitions, integer, I am going for this add function. Okay, so integer add, integer a and b, and return a plus b. So integer subtract, integer parameters I am putting integer a, integer b, and return a minus. Okay, so then these are the things, two things I told you, that one is the function declaration, second is the function definitions. Just after this we call the function, that we call the function call. The function call, everything we call from this main function. You can see it here, integer space main, is the main function starts here. So I declare integer a, integer variable is equal to a, and assign in value is equal to 30. Then integer b, variable b, and assign 20. Then integer result, okay, that is using the calculator a b condition 1. Okay, then printf percentage d slash a new line and result. Okay, similarly, suppose I take another result, integer result 1, and calculate a b second case. Okay, and printf percentage d slash n result 1. Okay, first case result means it will come a plus b, that's the second case result 1, it will come a minus b. Like that, if you want some other also result, you can go and return 0. You got it now? So this is the case we have taken. So you can clearly see this is the body of this function, this is the body of this function. So three things are important for us. One is the function declaration here. This function declarations I have given you the type, the name of the function, then the parameters. You can see this is the type, this is the name of the function, and parameters are integer a, integer b. And I told you that in addition to the main function, we can call, or you can divide the program into a number of functions. Okay, what are the number of functions? Calculator is one function, add is one function, subtract is one function. Okay, so all these functions I will call in function call in the main function. In the main function, you see I am calling the printf percentage result. This is I am calling it here itself. Okay, so now then in the function definitions, I told you that function definitions I am putting it here, all the things here. In the case 1, what are the things we are going for addition. So case 2, I am going for the subtraction. Okay, these are the things I am going for the operations. Where it has to go, it has to go to the calculator to add. So I am putting another function add. In the add, actually I am adding integer a, integer b, that is return a plus b. Okay, so till now I hope you have understood all things. So now let us run this program and we can clearly understand there. So I did say the first integer was 30, the second integer was 10. So first calling the function 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. When I am calling the second function, that is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. You can see clearly the output it is coming here. So like that you can do a number of program you can write using this function. So this is the program number 21 I have given you. Then immediately I am going for one more program, that is program number 22. Here I am just to find a number is odd or even number using function. Okay, using functions I am trying to find a number is odd number or even number. Then what I do, I still include std it is same. So integer is even, so this is the what is my function name, integer is even, that is the things I am going to check whether it is even or not. Okay, then what is the parameter I am passing, integer num, because one number I am put it and that it will check it is even number or odd number. Then it is a one, only main function is one and one additional function I am putting is even the function name, right? The main functions, okay, then what I am doing in integer is even the parameter integer number, here return, say, see what in the main functions, in the definitions what I am putting, return, what it is going to return, the number. What is the number here, a variable I put it here. What is the integer it is coming, I am putting it as a number. Okay, the number percentage modulo 2, that means if it is divisible by 2, then obviously it is even number. Okay, so I am going to check if it is divisible by 2, then I will say it is a even number. The same thing that then I am going for this, calling this function. So it is a print, enter the number, scan a percentage comma percent n, and print a percentage of type d. So here what you will do, see I have given you that for if it is coming 1, then it will come even, if it is coming 0, it will come odd number. Okay, so it will show the type of, okay, type it will say if it is coming 1, then you have to take it as it is even number. If it is showing 0, then you can show it is a odd number. You got it now? So it is clearly we divided the function. The function you can see it here, I have written the type, then the function name, then the parameter. Same thing, it is the main function and I am going for the function call, and it is the function what I used that that I am using, and a return it is coming this. Okay, you now you can understand all things. Now I run this program. By executing this program you can clearly see. So suppose I am putting my favorite number 75. So in that case you can see 75 is type 0. What is type 0? Type 0 it is odd number. Okay, so I close it here. So okay, I put your favorite number, maybe you want 96 marks, so I am putting 96. Okay, so I am putting 96. So 96, what will come the type, you guess? It will come 0 or 1? Yes, it will come 1, because it is a even number. Yes, number of type is equal to 1. So from this also we can understand what is the type, it is even number or odd number, we can understand, right? So then I am moving to the another program. In this program I am going to calculate the simple interest using this function. Okay, the simple interest, because bank people they are very much interested to calculate the interest, all things. Okay, so they can use a calculator or they can write a program. Using this program also they can calculate. So what I am doing it here, you see, I started the program, has include std, the standard input or output to header file, I put it here. Then here, because interest it is not that always it will come round figure, it may come some floating point, some 50.30, 75.78, like that, anything it comes. So float, simple interest. So what are the parameters I am putting? Integer p, integer r. What is p? P is the principal, r is the rate of interest, and t is the time. Time in months it may come. Okay, time in months. Okay, so now now I am declaring the main function integer main. Here in the main function I am putting integer p, t, r. P is the principal, r is the rate, t is the time. Okay, for I am putting printf, enter principal. Okay, first because I have to take and scan a percentage d, because all these are integer, I am putting percentage d and p. So what is that value? It will be stored at p. Similarly, enter rate, okay, that I am putting to r. So enter time, that I am putting to t. Okay, then I am going to calculate printf. Simple interest is percentage, because it is floating point slash n slash n. Simple interest is ptr. Okay, scanf all the things, and it is putting here also. Okay, scanf is you can put it percentage f. I think it is better, because it is we are putting f now. You can put it instead of d. You can put it percentage. So written 0. Now I am going for this declaration of this the definition of all things. Then float, simple interest rate. So integer p, integer r, and integer t. Then how to calculate this? This is here in this function definition. Float, how to calculate float? Float is the type. Interest, okay, this is the interest I am going to calculate. How to calculate the interest? So it is PRT or PTR by 100. PTR by 100, because everything I will be taking to float. That's why I am using here also float, here also I am putting it float. Okay, then return interest. Okay, it will come like this. Okay, now we can clearly understand how to write a program for doing all the things, right? So yeah, you can change it here also if you like. The percentage f also you can put it at t also, it will solve that. No issue on that one. So now I run this program, and you can see it is coming. Suppose I put my principal is 75,000 rupees. Okay, 75,000 is my principal. Now the interest rate, suppose it is 18% interest I am getting. I am taking for a year, for a month of 12 months. Okay, so what is the rate? It is coming. Yeah, you can see here 1,62,000. It is the simple interest for 75,000 rupees with 18% interest for 1 year, that is 12 months. You can get it now. So in this way you can calculate and you can very much do this type of things using your function. So one more program we are going before concluding this session, that is we are going for important things. We are going for Fibonacci. In the Fibonacci, what we do it here, we must have some idea about what is this Fibonacci and all things. See, it is a, yeah, you can see it here. We can find implementation of this Fibonacci numbers. What is that Fibonacci? Initially we go for the first number is 0, second number is 1, then the third number will be first plus second. Okay, fourth number will be second plus third, fifth number will be third for like that, third and fourth. Okay, like that. See, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Like that we can get a number of Fibonacci numbers. So for how many numbers? Say I want n number of Fibonacci numbers. How to calculate? How to do all things using our function? Okay. So because no return it will come, so I am taking void Fibonacci integer n. Okay. Because integer n, how many numbers you want? 8 number, 5 number. For that I am putting integer n. So main function start here, integer number, print enter the number, scanner percentage and number, and Fibonacci also I put it here number and print the percentage. Okay. Then this Fibonacci integer n, integer first number I am putting it 0, integer second number I am putting it 1, because already I told you the first number is 0 and second number by default 1. Then I put an integer temporary number. So integer I, if it telling if is n greater than 1, because first 0 and 1 two numbers already have taken. If integer I is greater than if n is greater than 1, printf then this is the first number. Then if n greater than equal to 2, then it put it as the second number. Then in the second case what I am putting, if n is greater than 2, here I am putting a for loop for I is equal to 3, because 0 first number, second number, third number already given. So I is equal to 3, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. So what I am telling, temporary is equal to first plus second, and printf this is the temporary, then first is equal to second and second is equal to this is the swapping, you know all things. Okay. So if you do write a program like this and try to run this program, now let us see run this program. So I am trying to run this program. Oh wow. So enter a number. Suppose I am going for 8 number of things I want to point it to. So you can see first number is 0, second number 1, third is 0 plus 1 it is equal to 1, fourth is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, fifth is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Like that, how many numbers you can get it now. Okay. So I hope you have understood this concept of function. You can practice a number of product example also. You can send SMS or mail to me also. And also if you like this video, please do share with your friends and give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, because a number of videos directly will come to you. No need of any recommendation, no need of searching. You can save time. Just subscribe. All these videos automatically it will reach to you. Thank you. Take care of health and goodbye.